Recording the sewer line here at 3633 12th Avenue West, Seattle, Washington. Date is April 6, 2020. Sitting about 90 feet out from the cleanout here on the front porch, and recording coming back from the city main. So there's their city main tie-in where we drop in. We're going to pull back from here. So this was plastic installed prior to the work that we did. 6-inch plastic coming back. As you come back, we'll get into our liner, which is blue. So we line into this plastic. So this is our liner. Bob Oates. Coming back to the Bob Oates liner. Install. And then back into the Bob Oates repair that we did. So liner into our repair. It's under the sidewalk where we installed this repair. And then back into liner again. So we did a little bit of liner upstream, a little bit of liner downstream to cover all the original concrete pipe that was still left over in the line. And then we get back into the plastic that was installed, I believe, when the home was being redone. That's the end of the video. So recording this from this clean out here on the front porch. Here's our front porch area. End the video there.